Hello everyone, I'm Pia Pashtanyaku and today I will talk about the AI and the future of work and society, which is a chapter from one of the books that our professor shared with us. First, we are going to conduct how COVID-19 has influenced the innovation and adoption of technology and based on the AI context. And also we are going to provide examples how the AI has been like an instrument during this period. The COVID-19 has a huge impact during this time, even on the AI, how it just affect in our everyday life or how it help in adoption of the technology. We can see that based on the AI, we just changed the way of communication and collaboration during the pandemic when we have to work from home. Also, we can see that COVID-19 and the AI has a crucial role based on the creation of the vaccines or on things to track the virus or to improve the healthcare systems. Also, we can see that AI has impacts on the business, which help to improve like finance or retail, or also to see and to hold the customer desires and wants. And we can also see that the AI has helped businesses for their decision-making process strategies in order for them to respond to the crisis that they may have. On the other part, we are going to see the key global AI strategies that are discussed in this chapter and also how have they impacted business and the society. We can see that from the AI, we have an increase on the marketing, sales, and customer experience since the AI helped in adoption of the customer desires and wants from the businesses by holding the information there and providing them with a key strategy to improve in the marketing or to have a better customer experience. Also, we can see that it helped in the utilization of machine learning, which make it more easy for them to solve the complex of the real world problems. And on the other end, we can see that it also helped in data availability due to the COVID-19. On the other hand, we can see that the strategy has a huge impact on business and society by driving the revenue generation and cost. We can see that the AI helps businesses to increase their revenues or to improve their cost reductions since on the type of strategies that they offer to them. Also, we can see that it helps in manufacturing, telecommunication, education, and different professional service since the business start to have to use the AI in order to give these kind of strategies for the telecommunication or professional services. And we can see that also the AI has helped the decision-making process since let's say the businesses try to use AI to give their problems that they have, how these problems came up, and how they can just make the right decision to improve the sales or the marketing or everything that was related in their business on the things that they wanted to have the decision making. The other thing is in what ways does AI impact core business functions such as marketing, sales, and customer experience, and how do these impacts align with the evolving needs and expectation of consumers in today's digital landscape? We can see that the first thing that AI has helped is the personalization since the businesses use AI by giving the information for their customers or their businesses, so they can just make the content that they want personalized for each customers in order to in order to have a different connection with businesses and the customers. We can see the automation, which is, let's say, most of the employees use the AI in order to complete their tasks so they can have more free time. The other thing is the predictive analytics. They use, for example, started to write their customers' behavior, their preferences, and inform, and also they just mixed up these characteristics together and came up with, let's say, an analytics that they have done for their customers in order to have a better decision for the other part. And on the other way, they use the AI for the customer service because they just started to use the AI on the chat box or virtual assistant. So the customer support will be all the time, everywhere and then where it was needed. On the other side, we can see that the impacts align with the evolving needs and the expectation of customers in today's digital landscape by providing the personalized experience in order to meet the individual's needs and preference, offering the faster and more efficient service through an automation and the chat box, anticipating customer needs and preference through predictive analytics, and also improving overall customer satisfaction and loyalty. The other questions that we answered for this chapter was what are the implications of AI advancement for future business leaders and how can they leverage AI to drive innovation and address societal challenges. We can see that for the strategic planning, the business leaders need to develop a clear understanding of AI potential impact on their industry and develop a strategic plan for its adoptions. Also, they can use it for the talent management, where business leaders can need to attract or retain talent with necessary skills to work with AI in order to develop better solutions based on the AI. On the other part, we can see on the ethical considerations where business leaders need to use AI in an ethical way, and also they can use this to develop the societal expectations. There also we can see the collaborations there where business leaders need to collaborate with other organizations, academia or government to drive innovation and address the societal changes. We can see that AI can help in innovation, where business leaders need to leverage AI to drive innovation and create new products, service, and business models that meet evolving customer needs. And on the other side, they can use it for social responsibility, where business leaders need to use AI to address societal challenges such as climate change, healthcare, education, and contribution to the greater. Reflecting on the quote, most people overestimate what they can achieve in a year and underestimate what they can achieve in 10 years. How does this apply to the trajectory of AI and potential long-term impact on work and society? We can see that it has a rapid advancement, while the intimate impact of AI may seem interdimensional. Over a long period, it can just see that the way that technology transforms can have a huge impact on the work and on the society. It also, we can see it as a societal impact, where you can see that based on this short-term achievement or advancements of the AI, we can see that we can lead in an unrealistic, or we can see that our expectations will change even for the long-term impact. We can see workforce transformation. AI's long-term impact on work and society may lead to significant shifts in the nature of work, the skills required, and the overall structure of the workforce. We can use it as the ethical and social consideration, where the underestimating the long-term impact of AI may result in overlooking the ethical and social implications of the widespread adoption, including issues related to bias and privacy and job displacement. Also, we can use it for the economic implications, where you can see the economic change that we have and have a shifts on the graphs of the economy by improving the new industries with the technologies, with the technology from transformations that we have, and also see some new frameworks for the economy. And that's all about my presentations. Thank you for your attention.